Remember the three roadblocks preventing your gut from healing? Dysbiosis, biofilm, and nutrient gaps? Today, I'm sharing the targeted solution that addresses all three when diet alone isn't enough. Quick recap. Diet alone can't break through biofilm shields. It can't overcome established dysbiosis when bad bacteria have taken over. And it can't provide the therapeutic doses of gut-healing compounds your damaged intestinal lining needs for intensive repair. You need a multi-targeted approach. This is Restore by Root Brands, a professional-grade formula specifically designed to address all three roadblocks simultaneously. First, biofilm disruption. Black cumin seed oil is one of the most powerful natural biofilm disruptors available. It penetrates the protective shields that harmful microbes create, making them vulnerable to your immune system and other therapeutic compounds. Unlike the small amounts you might get from food, Restore provides concentrated therapeutic doses that can actually break through established biofilms. Second, dysbiosis rebalancing. Turmeric root extract with curcumin doesn't just reduce inflammation, it actively helps rebalance your gut microbiome by supporting beneficial bacteria while creating an environment that's hostile to harmful pathogens. The bioavailable form in Restore ensures maximum absorption and effectiveness. Third, therapeutic nutrient delivery. Resveratrol and powerful antioxidants repair the oxidative damage from chronic gut inflammation. Aloe vera soothes and heals the intestinal wall. Apple cider vinegar optimizes the gut environment for healing. Plus, compounds like D-ribose provide cellular energy so your gut cells have the resources they need for intensive repair work. This isn't just another probiotic or supplement, it's a coordinated attack on the root causes that diet can't overcome. In the full blog post, you'll discover the complete ingredient breakdown with scientific research, how each compound specifically addresses the three roadblocks, and where to get Restore, plus the recommended dosage protocol. Click the link in the description to read the full Restore review and learn how this targeted solution can finally heal your gut when diet fails. And if you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more science-backed gut health strategies.